Hi, today I'm going to make stalks or Metiola incana, a very easy flower, very pretty, would look beautiful in any arrangement. Materials I've taken are, this is a crepe paper in pink and green, a green colored pencil, thin wire, a thick wire, some cotton wool and green floral tape. All the measurements are in centimeter. These are the stencil for the buds. The green one is 1.25 by 1 centimeter and the pink one is 1.5 by 1.5 centimeters. And this is the stencil for the sepals for both these buds. So this is 1.25 by 1 centimeter. This is the strip for the petals. So this is 2 centimeters by 16 centimeters. This is for the sepal for the flower. So this is 2 centimeters by 1.5, and this is the stencil for the leaf, which is 3 centimeters by 8.5 centimeters. Take the sepal piece for the buds and just make cuts on it. So you need to make 6 sepals. Like this. So I'll just make the others too. I've taken a small piece of thin wire and take some bit of cotton wool, only small types. Apply glue on the tip of the wire and put this wool on it. Now take this bit for the bud, stretch it, apply glue, stick it like this. Take the sepal piece. It should be the same height, the sepals, as the bud. Like so. Just bind the green tape. Like this. So I've made another piece and the pink one too. For the flower, again I've taken a small piece of the thin wire. So I'll just put the tape around it. Now take the strip for the petal. First I'll just stretch it and make 3 or 4 cuts on one side, about half a centimeter wide. Like so. And fold the strip over till the last cut. And just make the cut, leaving a little bit on one side and on this also. And then just divide this about 1 centimeter wide areas. So these are the petals, so these would be slightly wider than the first ones. And then just cut them in a curve like this. Turn it over and on the other side too. And similarly, I'll put the cuts on this also. So this is how it's going to look. It's not necessary that they're all even or whatever. Now just take the green pencil. And the first 3 that we'd cut, the smaller ones, so just color them. Like so. Now I'll just apply glue. Sorry, before that, just make a little crimp in the center of each of these petals. Like this. So I'll do with the others too. Now I'll just apply glue at the base. Take the thin wire. Now I should reach about halfway of the green patch that I had colored. Now just give a little, wrinkle at the base of each petal and wind it around the wire. It's a little messy, but like so. Now take the sepal piece. So I've cut it in the same way as I did for the bud. 6 sepals. And just stretch it a bit and put it around the flower. Like this. Now just open out the petals. And press them down a bit so that it opens up properly, the flower. Like this. For the leaf, I've taken a long piece of thin wire. So now just put the green tape on it. like this. So now I'll just apply glue on the back of the leaf. And stick this wire on it. Like so. And just press down on the wire so you get this impression. And just sort of stretch a bit of the leaf to get a wavy look. Like this. Now to assemble it, just take a long piece of the green floral tape. Stretch it. Take the thick wire. So first I'll just attach these small buds. Don't have much of a pedicel between the main stem. Put the flowers around the stem, not under one another. Seem to be having some trouble with this. And fairly close to each other. Then give a little gap between the flowers and then start attaching the leaf. So the leaf have a longer pedicel, longer stalk. And just put the leaves also around the stem. Like this. Now I'll just open them all. So the leaves are almost vertical, or you can, curve them down a bit. And the flowers also just a little, not too much. Like this. And this is how the stem would look of stalk.